Good morning, futures traders. Today's Thursday, March 27th, the time 11:05. We are trading the legendary trader system day 10 to see if we can get funded using the indicators and the strategy. Today was a decent day with manual trading again, day 2, about 3,700 across the accounts, gross 4,600 minus commissions. Not bad. We did a decent day. I stopped around 200 a trade. I got lucky, not lucky, but I got some extra on these trades. I kept trailing my stop for those. So overall, nice green day. I only took 2 trades manually today. There were no other signals, to be honest with you. I mean, this is pretty much the open here, and this is where we are now. No other trades. You can see I do have my support resistance lines drawn as I always do, and they were both good signals, and I took both of them. So you can see here that at the open, let me get my line here to show you where I entered. At the open, we were sitting right on this level here. We broke through it, and I got in right around here when the signal fired. I waited for the break of this candle. The signal was on, and I took it to this next level of support. So that was trade 1. Trade 2 was at the break of this level here. We got the candle, the signal here, and I waited for the break of the area here that was earlier resistance that became support, took the retest, came back up. So good day. These 2 signals were great. The only 2 signals we had. The automated system took both trades as well, but they were both break even. I was a little more aggressive on my break even and my trailing stop here because I was manually trading it. I had the opportunity to watch price action, and I just let it run a little bit and took my profits at the previous support level, and then up here at the resistance level. That was earlier today. So good day overall. Like I said, 3,700 across the accounts. Again, today was the manual trade day. I'm really trying to hone my skills with the manual to see what is better for us to do. It really comes down to preference. I know some just like the hands off, take every signal, let the strategy enter the orders as they see fit using the ATM. I'm kind of liking the manual right now. Again, just for me to evaluate it, I'm going to be doing both. Like I said, this is my second day of doing the manual trading. I think I did it briefly on another day, but I'm just starting to understand how it works and when to take the signals. But you can see here with this green, green, white, this bottom line was green, this was green, and this was white. And the theory behind the indicators, when you see these really ramp up to the 50% like this rapidly, that's going to be a lot of momentum behind that, and sure enough it was. Okay, this red, blue, red, right? It was red, blue, red. Again, look how steep this stair step is. It was pretty steep here. So if I look at here, okay, it was stepped down pretty good here, and then I took the break right there where I showed you earlier. Look how steep that was, and it just kept dropping. So as this was stair stepping down, I kept trailing my stop manually, down, 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 until it hit this level and kind of scrunched the red and the blue lines here, which just happened to be around this support level. So that's how I managed the trade. Same thing here with the green, green, white. Right, the green was stair stepping up really good on this candle here. And look at that. It really stepped up. It was pretty high up. So I waited for it to break above this. It broke above the earlier resistance, now support. I waited for it to retest, which it did right around here. Got in right around here, rode it up to here, right around when the white and the green lines kind of scrunched together, and that's when I exited my trade, and I'm done for the day. Okay, the automated system, I believe, took this as a break even because it's aggressive on the break even, which is fine. Break even is better than losing. So anyway, good day, day 10. We'll be back at it on Monday. probably not going to trade tomorrow since it's Friday, and we'll let it do its thing. And I will see you back on Monday. But so far, so good. I still believe that we have the ability to profit with this. Again, starting to come back from the 4 days in a row losses that we had, or that I showed you earlier. We're starting to come back from those. I'm not going to lie, it was a little bit touch and go there with the accounts. So, but smaller risk, right? So, obviously, one of the things you could do is if you see that you're getting close to blowing an account, you just use less of a contract size. So one or two minis or go down to micros. So I did do micros the other day when we were losing 3 or 4 days in a row. But I'm fighting back now on the manual side to see if we can get out of it. So anyway, I hope this has been helpful. Like I said, the Discord channel is hopping right now, and folks that are trading manually are doing well, and folks that are trading with the automated strategy are doing okay. I'm not going to lie; it's tough though. I mean, it's tough. The market's changing. These bars are pretty big, right? So we need to learn to adapt. So anyway, I'll be testing the manual trades out for a while using these indicators to see if we can get funded using Legendary Trader. So anyway, as usual, if you have questions, please feel free to comment, drop a question on Discord, drop a question in the comments, shoot me an email. Happy to help in any way. If you're new to the channel, I hope you like the content, like and subscribe, and we'll be back at it on Monday. So see you then. Have a great weekend all, and we'll talk to you soon.